in land navigation there's actually 3 norths. There's true north, grid north and magnetic north. But when you're using a map and a compass, you only work with grid north and magnetic north. Now in Britain, a few years back, you would take a grid bearing, as you would normally do, but then when you've taken a grid bearing, you would have to add the magnetic variation, because there would be a slight difference between grid north and magnetic north, and that's called the magnetic variation. Or if you take a magnetic bearing and you want to convert it to a grid bearing, then you would you take away the magnetic variation. But as it stands now, in Britain, the magnetic variation, the difference between grid north and magnetic north, is so small that there's no need to bother with it. There's no need to add or take away magnetic variation. Just take your grid bearing as you would normally do, and then just walk on that bearing. There's no need to bother with magnetic variation.